Okay, starting to record again.
Yeah, I just turned it off because I was cutting some comb off. Look at that ooey, gooey, creamy, richest, wonderful honey. That's the good stuff. We're gonna get this back. I cut the other part off for him.
Liquid gold. So we got three. We're taking 3 of the bars off this one.
Still hadn't hit the brood chamber, but we know it's there. They're putting honey up for the winter.
So do you want to put all of the bars that are empty in between each other?
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Just because there's honey on it and it brings it closer.
If you want, I'll put it right up next to the other 2, or the last one, and put these empty bars on the end.
I would put 1 empty bar and then a full bar and then an empty bar.
Okay, so an empty bar, full bar, an empty bar, full bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Feel how heavy this is.
I can see how I felt the other one.
No, feel the weight. That's all I want you to do, just feel the weight.
I would say it's probably 8 pounds. It's about the size. It's about as heavy as a bag of soup.
All right. And those of you who know us will know what that means.
Okay, I have to show them something. I have to show the camera something. No, these bees are not committing hara-kiri on the knife. They are trying to eat all the honey off of it.
The same way they're trying to eat all the honey off of this comb.
They're like all these bees on it. And they're going, oh, look at all of our hard work. And I think again, last time when we did a little honey thieving, there's a bunch of bees up here on the top, so we didn't put the plywood back. We let them finish cleaning off the top of the bars.
Oh yeah.
And I believe that's what we'll do again this time. Just let them eat what they can and save what they can, and then we go back the next day and we replace the plywood on top.
Yes, I concur. Because after all that, there was quite a bit of honey that you got this on right. You're absolutely right.
Okay, I'm going to try to get these bees off because they'll get killed in the next hive.
Well, we'll get enough. Okay, I'm going to stop the video, and standing right in front of the hive is a bad idea. Anyway, we'll start the video again for Hive 2.